Good morning, toy boxers. Good old Belllllllllllllllllefonte here, waking up. Good old 6 a.m. See old Talleyrand Park down there, traffic rolling along. It's that time of the day. It's 6 a.m., guys. Time to get the day started. You can see our alleyway. Look, we got the crap off the wall. Yeah! Anyways, toy boxers, good morning. Here we are at 206 West High Street. Walking in the door at 6 a.m. Welcome to the disaster. Woo-hoo. All aboard the Hot Mess Express. Here we go. So, we're going to start over here in the Gambit. We got resin. Not working. But you can see the toys. They're not toys. They're machines, and they're making fun toys. Anyways, we got our little dragons here. They're coming along pretty good. Little Luck Dragons by Zal. They're freaking lovely. They're really cool. You can see them. We got the galaxy fill for the eyes going through. They're almost done. We got our corgi clickers here. These are the nose boop noses. These are the bases, and they're coming along pretty nice. We'll have more of that. Here's some corgi butts for the clickers. You'll see the legs here coming up probably shortly. Next video, maybe. You can catch us at Coffee with Corgis on May 3rd, right here in Bellllllllllllllll, Center County. That's gonna be a fun time. I'll get a little more information for you on that. We got the Crealities doing their thing, as always. I know, Corkle board's boring, boring, boring. But look at that, that was some satisfaction. That bad boy just popped right off. Let's see if we can't do that again. You gotta love it when things go together well. Well, apparently twice is too much to ask. Oh! Well, it did pop off there pretty nicely, didn't it? But yeah, it's a nice orange one coming in. We got these oil expression ones coming out. That's gonna be a limited deal. We're gonna make one run of those, I think, and we'll have those coming up. You can find those on Etsy. I'll have a listing in there for you. So, as you can see, toy boxers, we're slowly but surely coming together. We got the makings of a couple of stations over here. We're gonna have assembly, post-processing. We're gonna have some Arduinos and soldering going on down the line further, you know. We got our shipping set up, and we're getting things rolling. So, right here, these are some of the newest things going out. As you guys have probably seen these before. Oh, we gotta say hi to Callie Bay. Good morning, Miss Bay. Everybody say hi to Callie Bay. She's our shop kitty. She's a good girl. And yesterday was her 16th birthday, wasn't it, Bay? Wasn't it? Aren't we just such a good girl? Yes, you are. Yeah. Okay, back to the Flexi Octos. These are for Kelly in Mississippi. We got red and we got green. We're in the process of putting the magnets in there. You can see a couple of them there. A few more of those to go. They got to go out in the mail. These bad boys get 178 magnets a piece. It's a little bit of a task. Takes a little while to get them done. But we're going to get it done and out in the mail. And our coffee. God bless coffee. I mean, it's just life brew of this country. Delicious. Anyways, thanks for being here, toy boxers. Oh, you didn't drink your milk, Bay. That's okay. That's okay. You're a good girl. Thanks for being here, guys. Say hi, drop a line, say hi to Callie Bay, share a comment if you've got an idea. I'm happy to hear what you've got to say. We're slowly coming together here. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither was the toy box. I appreciate you guys being here. Callie immediately steals my seat, every time. Anyways, like, comment, share, subscribe. Glad you're here. You can find us on Etsy. You can find us on Facebook. We're everywhere. Drop us a line if there's something we can do for you. If you need a build made, we're happy to help. Look at Callie, she's just mean mugging the crap out of me today. Anyways, love you guys. Appreciate the support. Glad you're here. Share your knowledge. Love you.